this is Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. So today I just had a couple of quick announcements. I won't keep you long. Number one, I've had some requests to show how to sandwich a quilt top and bind. So tomorrow on my channel I'm going to do just something very small like a block that I can show you on my domestic how to do some basic quilting, sandwich basic quilting and binding. I know there was a lot of beginners on the Fort Worth Fabric Studio, so this is Love Valentine Mystery Quilt, and they're asking for that. So I wanted to let you all know that, to look for that video tomorrow. And number two is what you're all here for, I think, the announcement of the Fort Worth Fabric Studio's next mystery quilt, and it's called As Luck Would Have It, and it's going to be this cute St. Patrick's Day quilt. This one is a little bit bigger. It's 51 by 51 inches square, so more like a lap size quilt, and that will begin on February 14th with the cutting. So this one will go 4 weeks. The first week will be cutting, and the next 3 weeks after, every Monday will be blocks. And the last week, the fourth week, we will put it all together and make this cute quilt. So those dates are the 14th, let me read them here so I don't forget, 21st, 28th, and March 7th. So you'll be able to finish this in time for St. Patrick's Day. And the patterns are going to come out every Monday, beginning on the 14th, at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Central, and then the videos will come out an hour later, is 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 9 a.m. Central. So it gives you some time to print off your pattern and get prepared so you can sew along with us. And I'm definitely sewing this one just like I did the last one. I'll give you a cutting tutorial the first week, and then the second week we'll actually start our blocks, and I'll help you all the way through just like the last time. And I hope you join me, and I hope you sew along because it was a lot of fun. And I have an exciting announcement. The Fort Worth Fabric Studio gave me a kit again this time to give away. So here it is. You can see the fabrics. Now you see the black in there. That's not the background fabric. I know a lot of people said they had trouble seeing to sew on the black background fabric. It's actually white background fabric. I believe this is binding, so don't freak out about that. But I'm going to give this kit away to one lucky viewer. Now I'm going to do this very quickly so that way if you're not a winner and you want to sew along and you want to get a kit, you can head over to Fort Worth Fabric Studio and grab a kit before they're all gone. So I'm only going to run this giveaway for 24 hours. So it is Wednesday evening, so I'm going to pull a name Thursday evening and come on and tell you all who won. And I will also put the link for Fort Worth Fabric Studio directly to the kit because they have them on the website now and ready to go. They did announce today that they will probably be closed tomorrow because of inclement weather, which we're going to have here as well. It's kind of funny because they're in Texas and I'm in Ohio, but we're both getting ice, but on top of it, we're supposed to get about a foot of snow. So it's going to be kind of crazy weather the next few days, so definitely be patient with them if you order. It's not going to go out tomorrow, probably not even Friday, but they're ready to go. So as soon as they get back in the office or back in the building after the weather, they'll start shipping them out. But if you'd like to participate and you'd like to try to win one, put the word Shamrock down below in the description or in the comments. And the other requirement is you have to be subscribed to my channel. So I hope you are excited about this. I am super excited to do this. I can't wait for this next sew along. Don't forget it begins February 14th. And if you'd like to sew along and try to win the kit, Shamrock and subscribe. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great evening and happy sewing the next few days. Bye-bye.